Welcome you guys. In this video we have another challenging question about derivatives. If you want, before I start solving question, you can pause the video now and let's get started. F of x is given to us guys in this question as x squared times, in parentheses we have g of x plus a. Here a is a constant value that we don't know yet right now, and g of 3 is given us as 2, and g prime of 3 is given us as 1, and f prime of 3 is given us as 3. In this case, what is the value of a? G of x is a function and f of x is a function also. So if we take the first derivative here guys, then we're gonna have f prime of x is equal to, guys, here we are multiplying x squared, which is a function basically, with another function. We can treat this part as another function. Why? Because g of x is a function already and a is a constant, so we can add that constant to g of x and then we can treat the whole part as another function. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna apply the product rule in derivatives, and I'm gonna treat x squared as first term and the rest of it as second term. And once we do it, actually let's write it first, okay? So x squared derivative times the second part, which is g of x plus a, plus g of x plus a, this is a guys, derivative times the first part, which is x squared. If you remember, the formula was the derivative of the first term times the second term plus the derivative of the second term times the first term. So from here guys, we're gonna have 2x times g of x plus a, plus the derivative of, actually a is a constant value, so if you take derivative of it, then it's gonna be 0. We're gonna have only g prime of x here guys, times x squared, and this is f prime of x guys. If we put 3 instead of x here, then we're gonna have f prime of 3 guys, which is equal to 2 times 3, which is 6, times, in parentheses we have g of 3 here plus a, plus g prime of 3 times 3 squared is gonna be 9 guys, and f prime of 3 is given us as 3, so we know that the result is gonna be 3. But let's keep going. So we're gonna have here 6, we can distribute this 6 actually into the parentheses, then we're gonna have 6 times g of 3. G of 3 is given us as 2 here, so I'm gonna put here 2, plus 6 times a, which is 6a, 6 times a, that we don't know right now, plus g prime of 3 is also given us as 1 here, so we're gonna have 1 times 9, which is 9 guys, and the whole term is equal to f prime of 3, which is also given us as 3 guys. So from here 6 times 2 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21. I'm gonna continue at the top right guys here, so we're gonna have 21 plus 6a, which is 3. If you send this negative 1 to the right side, okay, we're gonna have 6a, which is equal to 3 minus 21. For the people who don't know what I did here, I recommend you to take a look at one of my previous videos about shortcuts in calculations. Anyway, here guys, we're gonna have 6a, which is equal to negative 18, and in order to leave a alone, we need to divide both sides by 6, and once we do it, then a is alone right now. A is negative 3 in this case guys. So this is the answer in this question. If you have any question related to this question or anything else, you can put them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and hopefully see you in the next video.